heart of the world.
Baby Genius agrees to help if you do not sing.
Oh, okay.
A civil authority has issued required monthly test for the following counties or areas. Minnesota, at 1:44 p.m. on July 5, 2023, effective until 2:44 p.m. This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcaster stations in your area. If this had been an actual emergency such as a tornado, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. This test is from the Minnesota Division of Homeland Security and Emergency Management. This is only a test, no action required.
Questions? We'll go back to hanging out in headquarters. Oh.